This app is designed to help you manage your salon and simplify things and speed things up for you. As you can see on the front screen here, we have all the clients, appointments and forms. We click on My Salon, we can see it shows you all of the information relating to your salon. Click on here, we can see all of the therapists, and we input all the information or as much as you need to. This client, Karen, if we click on Karen, we can see her details. She has no appointments and she has one form completed. Let's change that. So we click on Create a New Form, choose the form we need to, and you can see it's all there for you. All you have to do is click on the appropriate boxes. We can type in the information of the person who witnessed the form, because obviously you'll want to do that. And then once you've done that, all you have to do is press the Save button. When you press Save, we can see if we look in Forms, it's there, both forms. The appointments, she doesn't have one yet. Let's change that. So create a new appointment, choose the therapist from the drop-down list we saw earlier, type in an appointment time and a date for the appointment, a duration, all of the things that you would normally do on it anyway, and type in roughly what you're going to do, or as much information as you need to. Click on Save, and once we've done that, we can see there's Karen's appointment in place. And when we go to the home screen, you can see Karen. If we look at appointments, there's Karen's appointment, and there are the forms completed for Karen. So as you can see, it's all push buttons, it's all pretty straightforward. There's one of the forms, just click on the button, you can see it. So it's very straightforward. Even adding a new client, simple, push a button. So there you go, there you have it, it's that simple.